So let's talk about AI lead generation. This is a powerful topic because a lot of people really struggle in the technical side of being able to generate leads. This is not a new thing. We've always had this struggle, and I have been in this industry for long enough to know how important this is to run any business online. And I know I'm talking to people who are struggling in this area, because I've struggled for years. And thank goodness with AI lead generation tools now exist, because the tools that we have access to, knowing how to use these AI tools, the tools that help you to do the heavy lifting, the tools that are powered by the very AI systems that do all the work for you, pretty much automate everything and allow you to get into a position where all the guesswork is taken away. It really is a breath of fresh air, and we are living in a time where if you are falling behind with the AI technology that's coming out, it's not just about generative AI where you type in a chat prompt and you get results such as an email or maybe content that you're trying to post on social media or some kind of documentation that you're trying to get out there or whatever. It's gone way beyond that now. Those are very useful tools, and we have access to things like ChatGPT and so on, and that's great. I'm talking about tools that can really take your whole marketing game to a whole new level, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So first of all, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So my name is Edward Keat, and it really helps if you can just click that like button and subscribe and comment below. What have you struggled in the past with tools and systems or methods or strategies that your leaders, the people in the space that you are working in, whether you are working online, trying to build an online business, a side hustle, and the very leaders that have educated you, then taught you and taken you by the hand and given you all the methods, why hasn't it worked? And I think what I want to do in this video is I want to give you the very tools that you can dip into, literally plug into, and start using today in the next half hour. Get yourself set up on the links below so that you can really crush this. So guys, on the link below, you'll get access to a system that is just a one-time $7. And this is incredible because honestly, this is the lazy marketer's absolute dream. It's a $7 AI-powered marketing shortcut that you can use right now on the link below. It just costs you $7 to get fully set up, and you have access to AI-powered marketing tools and how to use those tools, training that you never actually got access to, and this is stuff that nobody's talking about, and you can get access to this right now. So I've been able to thousands of dollars with this because you can resell this. You have branding rights, resellable rights, and you can earn a whopping $6 for every $7 package that you sell with this system. And it really is. It's 85% commission that you can earn with this. It's exciting because this is what I like to call a micro conversion. This really converts because you're giving away value and you have the rights to do this. You give away the value. It only costs $7. People jump in, they grab it, they get the value, and they love you. They're on your list. They're connected with you and you're giving the value. That's what this industry needs more of, is people who have that value and have that kind of ticket to the very thing that people have missed all these years. And now with the power of AI, we get these tools that can literally jumpstart your business. It's like getting into a fast car that you don't even own, but you can use it. You can turn on the key, turn on the engine and start using it. And it feels like just incredible to be able to run this entire system. You have the keys, you are in the driving seat, and you are generating the commission, and the money just comes in because you're giving away the very tools that everybody needs. And I've always found that these tools are just so valuable because they've helped me. I'm an introvert. I struggle in getting out there, out of my comfort zone and doing a lot of this stuff. But thanks to the power of AI, I can take a step back. And that's why I came into this industry in the first place. But I've never been able to do that simply because I needed to be in the game myself. Now, that's not to say that you are basically just pulling yourself out completely. You are branding yourself, of course, but the wonderful thing is that you are using systems that really escalate what you could never have done in the past. But what you're doing here is you're leveraging precisely what you've never been able to do. With these tools, You just plug in, you pay your $7, you get access to everything, you get access to the support, you get access to done-for-you funnels, you can share this out, and you can start earning whopping $6 commission for the $7 products that you're giving away. So I highly recommend you get on board with this because these tools are valuable. These tools are allowing me to figure out how to market my business, generate leads on autopilot, post on social media, do all the stuff pretty much automated. And literally when I wake up in the morning and I see results and I see everything's just working the way it should, and I can just lean in on and rely on the AI tools to do all the work for me, it's a breath of fresh air. It's wonderful. It allows me to have that freedom. So what would you like to do with all that? With all that freedom, walk the beaches of the world, have extra money just simply to be able to put your kids into better education. Maybe you want to have the ability to be able to travel, have the flexibility and freedom not just to have to work for someone else, but instead you make the choices in your life. You decide, today I want to go out and spend some time with the people that matter most. And that's what I feel I can do now, because while all this is happening, while the AI tools are doing everything for me, while the leads are being generated, and guys, these are buyer leads. You're bringing people in, you're giving them the value, they are taking action, and it's literally just rinse and repeat. Use the tools that are proven, get on board, get started, plug in, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.